Downloading complete.
We used to be frightened and scared to try the things we don't really understand why. We laughed for a moment and start to cry. We were crazy. Now that the end is already here, we reminisce about old yells and cheers, even if our last hurrays were never clear. Farewell to you, my friends. We'll see each other again. Don't cry, 'cause it's not the end of everything. I may be miles away, but here is where my heart will stay with you, my friends, with you. Yesterday's a treasure, today is here. Tomorrow's on its way, the sky is clear. Thank you for the memories of all the laughters and tears. Not to mention our doubts and our fears, the hypertension we gave to our peers. It's really funny to look back after all of these years.
Ernest, maraming salamat sa pinagsamahan natin dito sa DMC. Maraming salamat din at nakilala kita. Ayun lang, pagpatuloy mo lang ang bago mong kabanata. See you soon.
Ernest, mag-iingat ka lagi, ingat sa susunod journey. Maraming salamat na naglalang namin. Thank you. Pwede na.
Hello Sir Ernest, good luck sa journey mo. God bless, ingat ka lagi, and power.
Mangkin, parang sakit sa dibdib ko na alis ka eh. Hindi ko na-expect yan, pero good luck. I love you po, Mangkin. Hindi naman kita mamimiss kasi makikita para mang katapalaki. Ha? Good luck sa bago mong tatahakin. Ha? See you soon, I love you.
Hello po, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Sir Ernest, yun po, hindi man po tayo nagkasama na matagal sa trabaho. Pero kahit paano naman po, everyday na nagkakasalubong tayo sa shift natin ando naman na yung biruan at onting kwentuhan. Tsaka yun po, I really appreciate working with you, sir, and best wishes to your upcoming adventure, and lalo na sa business niyo po. Sana po ay lumago at maging masaya kayo lahat. So ito, ingat po palagi, sir, at ito, maraming salamat po sa lahat.
Gabe.
Hello Sir Ernest, good luck sa new journey mo, and victory for all. Ingat palagi ka.
Hi sir! Good luck sa bago mong business. Sana mag-boom. So thank you sa ilang taon tayo magsama. Salamat ulit sir. Ingat ka lagi. God bless you.
Hi Sir Ernest. Thank you at good luck sa future endeavors mo. Hopefully maging successful, and nandito lang kami if ever na kailangan mo kami. Thank you.
Hi Sir Ernest, maraming salamat sa taon ng pagsasama natin, na kahit papaano naging masaya ka na kasama sa isang office. Huwag kang mag-alala, susunod na rin ako sa'yo. Ingat ka lagi, bye-bye.
Hi Sir Nenes, una sa lahat, maraming salamat sa samahan natin dito sa DLCL Transport. Alam ko iba na ang tatahakin mong ang buhay mo ngayon. Nandito lang kami para suportahan ka kung ano magiging desisyon mo sa buhay. Huwag mo kalimutan na nandito kami para gabayan ka, at kung tulungan ka sa abot namin mga kaya. Mahal na mahal ka namin, Sir Nenes. We love you. Ingat palagi.
Sir Ernest, ang arte nung nakaisip nito. Anyway, talaga ito manimiss kayo na sobra. Mukhang siya nalulungkot, hindi ikaw sa pag-alis mo. Good luck sa yung journey. Tandaan mo po, nandito lang ang DSCL for you. Pag kailangan mo kami, just one call. We are just one call away. Maraming salamat sa tulong mo sa amin. And paisley pa, copy-paste. Thank you and God bless.
Hi Nes, I just want to say thank you for all the years of service and hard work for DLCL Transport. You have been one of the few people who were with us when we started the business, and I am truly grateful for all the hard work that you have done for the company. I wish you all the best, all the success, good luck to your endeavors, and see you around.
Nenes, para sa aking pangaray na anak, thank you sa lahat. Simula't simula, alam mo naman kung lahat ng pinagdaan natin, so thank you very much, and good luck sa iyong journey, sa bagong journey, and I hope you will be very successful. Kaya nandito lang kami, ako or kami, we're just one call or text away. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Really funny to look back after all of